So, get this, some researchers found a new planet, Proxima B, not too far away. And get this, stargazers just got the clearest picture ever of it using the James Webb Space Telescope. This planet chills near the star nearest our sun. This awesome picture gives us a peek at a world outside our solar system, making scientists super excited and curious. How'd the telescope pull that off? Could this picture show a place that might have what it takes for life? What does this discovery mean to how we get exoplanets and the crazy huge universe? Let's check out this clear picture of Proxima B, this planet hanging out by Proxima Centauri. It's only 4.2 light-years from Earth. This faraway world really makes you wonder if it's anything like Earth. Could it have oceans and life? Proxima Centauri also hangs out with another planet, Proxima Centauri C. Proxima Centauri gets about the same energy from its star as Earth gets from the Sun. So researchers are wondering if it could have water and maybe even life. When we check out space, we spot tons of exoplanets, planets circling stars other than our Sun. There are possibly 206 trillion stars out there, so who knows what these exoplanets could be like. Some even float around in space. Proxima Centauri B is an interesting puzzle. A year there is super short, only 11.7 Earth days. It circles its star way closer than Earth circles the Sun. One side of the planet is always in sunlight, and the other is always dark. Weird, huh? They first found Proxima B using the radial velocity thing. It involves watching for slight movements of a star caused by a planet's gravity. As the planet goes around, it tugs on the star. Scientists see this by checking out changes in the star's light. That's how they knew Proxima B was there. Finding Proxima B was a big deal because it meant there was an exoplanet in the habitable zone of the star closest to us. Everyone got excited, and they're eager to see what Proxima B holds and what it all means for the universe and life beyond Earth. Proxima Centauri B is wild. Imagine these star buddies, Regulus, Canopus, and Proxima Centauri, cruising through space. They're the closest star system to us. Regulus and Canopus make a bright light that shines together. But Proxima is a mystery. Also called Alpha Centauri, this red dwarf chills only 0.21 light-years from its brighter buddies. That's way farther than Earth is from the Sun. Its name means closest star to show it's our neighbor. Back in 1915, the Scottish dude, Robert Thorburn Innes, spotted it. Even though it's close, Proxima Centauri is hard to see. You need a telescope. Red dwarf stars are powerhouses making energy inside. This star will be around for another 4 trillion years. But living around Proxima Centauri could be tough. It's a flare star, so it has crazy bursts of energy. And because it's small, the area where life could exist is way closer to the star than it is with our Sun. That's where Proxima B is, about as far as Earth is from the Sun. But it's not that simple. Proxima B gets hit with a ton of UV radiation, way more than Earth gets. This can mess with stuff like nitrogen and oxygen. Just being in the Goldilocks zone doesn't mean a place is good for life. Proxima B might not have what it takes to keep a good climate or have water on its surface. Without a strong atmosphere, any life there would be screwed. Trying to figure out Proxima B is a big deal in space exploration. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021, might help us figure out if there's life on Proxima B. It takes some work to get good images from the telescope. A physicist at Harvard says Proxima B needs a careful look. Since it's in the habitable zone, it might soak up and shoot out infrared light, which the telescope can spot. This telescope can see faint light from the planet, helping us find water or an atmosphere. Whether Proxima B has water is a big question. Water is key for life as we know it. If Proxima B has it, it could mean the planet is habitable or can support life. Proxima B gets about the same sun power as Earth. Still, being close to its red dwarf star means it deals with crazy radiation and magnetic activity, which could mess with the atmosphere. Whether there's liquid water is still up in the air. Scientists are running computer models to see what Proxima's environment might be like. Some think there are huge oceans, while others think any water is ice or underground. Spotting water on Proxima B is tough and needs some fancy telescopes and the right atmosphere. As we get better at seeing things, we should learn more about Proxima B's atmosphere and water, which will help us understand it better. But just because there's an atmosphere doesn't mean Proxima B is livable. An astrophysicist at Princeton says not to jump to conclusions. The planet could be like Venus with a thick, nasty atmosphere and crazy heat. So not great for life. Proxima B is a cool neighbor in space, teasing us with the possibility of life. Because it's close, it's a good target for future missions. While we can't get there super fast, it's on the list for later. It would take 73,000 years to get there with today's tech. But who knows? Maybe we'll get solar sails that could zip us there in 20 years. That would be amazing. Finding Proxima B has made people excited about the universe again. Proves we want to explore and find new worlds and think about life beyond Earth. The James Webb Space Telescope is awesome, but it has limits. It can see cool stuff, but it has trouble figuring out atmospheres and what makes a place livable. Proxima B is like Venus, reminding us that just having an atmosphere doesn't cut it. Even still, the telescope can spot faint signs of life. The universe is huge and mysterious, with tons of planets waiting to be explored. These exoplanets circle stars far away and come in all shapes and sizes. Some are like Jupiter and Saturn, while others are like Earth. Gas giants are super interesting. They're like Jupiter and Saturn, but bigger. They're so massive that Jupiter looks small next to them. Also, there are hot Jupiter gas giants that orbit super close to their stars and face crazy heat. Checking out these planets shows us a world of storms and heat. There are also Neptunian exoplanets, which are like Uranus and Neptune. They include hot and small Neptunes that circle close to their stars and have weird atmospheres. Trying to understand exoplanets like Proxima B has pushed scientists to make new tech and learn more about the universe. Finding exoplanets is getting better all the time. The transit method, where scientists watch for a star to dim as a planet passes in front of it, helps us spot and study planets outside our solar system. This has shown us thousands of exoplanets, many in the habitable zones of their stars. This makes us wonder, are we alone? Besides finding planets like Proxima B, scientists are hunting for biosignatures, signs that could mean life exists on other worlds. By studying exoplanet atmospheres, they can spot gases like oxygen, methane, and carbon dioxide, which are linked to life. The James Webb Space Telescope should help with this, letting us see these gases even on planets super far away. If scientists find biosignatures in an exoplanet's atmosphere, it would be strong proof that there's life out there. But even as we look at the stars, we're still looking for life in our own solar system.